How to enable dark mode in Twitter. To enable dark mode on Twitter, you need to follow these simple steps. So basically, what you need is, first of all, make sure your application is updated to the latest version. If not, go to your respective app store, open up or type in Twitter on the search bar, and make sure to install or update it to the latest version. After completely updating the app, click the profile or the OK open button, login. Next, you want to tap the initials from the top left corner of your screen. On the next field, click on Settings and Support. So click on Settings and Privacy on this section. You then want to go to Accessibility section. Here it is. And here you simply want to go ahead and look for these options where you could see dark mode and all that. You could also go to Display. Here as well, if you cannot find it, so here it is in the display section. You then need to go ahead and select turn off or on, and if you go ahead and select this use device settings, then you could do it from the device as well. Simply you want to swipe down and then you want to go to dark theme, and this way you'll be able to enable dark mode on Twitter. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.